Hello everyone, this is Fred with Go Liquor. Well, it's Labor Day weekend and I hope all of you are having a great trip. Been a 3-day weekend and I hope everybody gets home safe or gets where you're going safe. This video is a little bit about something different than traveling. Yes and no. You ever go into a restaurant and something is not quite right? This video is really about Whataburger. Whataburger's all over the place. They've gone corporate, of course, everybody knows that, but it's still Whataburger and it's still a Texas restaurant. One of the biggest things that I like to buy in Whataburger is their apple pie. I love their apple pies. They're always fresh and they're hot and I love them, but there's something missing. And for a long time I was wondering what it was, and the other day I realized it's not the apple pie, it's missing the ice cream. I asked them one time if they had ice cream there and they said no, the only thing they had was milkshakes. You might want to suggest to them that if you're going to serve apple pie, you might want to put out the ice cream. It's a little bit extra sale and they make a little extra money and make a lot more people happy about their apple pie. There's nothing in this one, I already ate it. But why don't you go into Whataburger, check it out. Ask them if they have ice cream. Maybe they'll get the message and they'll start stocking this stuff. Anyway, I hope to see you guys on the road someday and maybe we can cross paths and sit down and have an apple pie together. If not, y'all be safe on the road and we will catch you somewhere. This is Fred with Go Liquor. We'll talk to you later, man.